Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle Skate.
Oh, the bright light.
Sis, where we at with it right now?
We are in Natchez.
Oh, that shit bright. Fuck.
We're at Natchez at the Holiday Takeover.
Exclusive.
Holiday
Takeover.
Holiday Takeover.
Gizzle is late as always, you know what I'm saying? But I'm here. I just got to the action. I got J3 with me. What up, J3?
You know
and we got Michael Guy's pussy ass pulling up. What up, pussy? What's up, Dylan?
What up, bro?
How you doing, bro? I ain't saw you since when?
No, we gotta go see the truck.
Huh?
We gotta go see the
Oh, we gotta let them know. If y'all ain't know, Dylan don't got the Silverado no more.
GMC.
He GMC now. We gonna do a different video whenever, you know what I'm saying? But Dylan GMC slide now. That's how you coming, son? Big GMC. Big GMC.
What's happening with you, dog?
Hey, what's down with the gang?
Yeah.
What's down with it, brother? You good? You good?
I'm straight.
Yes, sir. Where we at with it? Where we at with it right now?
We're in Natchez, Mississippi, man. You know what
It's
I'm saying?
going
Getting
down.
lit. Yep.
Bro, I'm giving away a trophy for the cleanest truck out here today. It's in the truck, it's going down. What the fuck, man? What's up, G? What's up, little brother? Man, look, I always see this nigga on the fluke star, bro. I don't never just see him we gonna chill or some shit. But he on my side, though. G, what's down with it, bro?
What up?
So how that fog was coming out here?
Nah, I've been out here way early.
Oh, you been out here?
Yeah.
These boys outside. Boy, outside. Hey, look at my dog Nick, man. Man, look at my dog Nick. Where you at, Mr. Guys?
I'm on the other side.
You way over there or what? They go Mr. Guys. They go Mr. Guys. I see that orange up under there.
That bitch showing. That
Yeah, I
bitch
see that
showing.
orange up under there.
Time to
motherfucker.
change it.
You know how Gizzle Rollin do, bro.
How y'all doing?
We got the big bitch. We got the big bitch for them fuck niggas today.
That's so good, huh?
We got that big bitch for them. Oh shit.
I
Oh
gotta take a
shit.
picture for the
Oh shit. The police done pulled up. Man, tell them don't.
Hey, this is your fault.
What I did?
Cause you late, it's your fault, now we get run out.
So, well, okay, so apparently it's my fault again. The police that came, I just fucking got here.
Hey, you
I
late.
just started getting.
What's up, big dog?
Man, what's that on my G? What's that on with the brother? What's that with the gang? Well, yeah.
They were out here to leave.
Fuck. What you gotta say?
Fuck the police, I guess.
It's been a twisted night.
Do what?
Fuck it.
I have no idea.
Wide thuggin', 16 wide thuggin', yeah. 16 wide thuggin', 16 wide thuggin'.
Yes, sir.
Little brother,
Yes, sir.
I see you to popped out with the 16. Them bitches dumb as a bitch.
That shit don't make no sense.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm glad you laid it back.
I know, me too.
I'm glad you laid it back, goddamn.
It needed it. It needed it.
It looks so much better.
I know.
It looks so much better. Hey, once you lay a truck back, you not gonna want to go back.
I know.
Nah, I'm going back just for the off season. I'm putting the 5-inch block back in for the
that's
off
me
season.
too. That's me.
Yeah, yeah. What's up, son? How you feeling?
Shit.
Man, we out here in the rain with it. We out here in the rain with it, man.
On that hand,
So
man.
look, we done got shut down from how many spots?
1, 2.
Hold on. We done got shut down from 2 spots. We at the 3rd spot now. We at Tractor Supply. You feel me? It's going down. We got them boys out here. You feel me? What's up, sir?
What up, man?
I can't come. I ain't saw my dog in a minute, man. How you been, boy?
Good.
Good, bro.
I got a public announcement.
What you want to tell the camera, sir?
Stop doing burnouts at the meets.
Man,
So chill.
bruh. We just need y'all to come pull up and show y'all shit off. We know you can hit a donut. We know that. Man, just show y'all shit off, bro. You feel me?
They ain't called.
They ain't called
They
yet?
said they ain't gonna call.
No burnout. Anytime you can park your diesel and leave the mirror lights on, you know you got money.
No.
You know you got money. And
I can't even it's so much that it way down.
then look,
No wheel.
I wish I still had the video of him taking some and scratching up some American Horse wheels. I wish I still had the fucking video. Send me that video. I'm gonna put it right here if you can find it. Who won the trophy?
I did. I won.
Huh? So how you feeling? You just won the trophy for the exclusive holiday truck show.
I'm top pick.
Gizzle
I'm the
Rollin's top
best.
pick. Yes.
I mean, the car clean.
Show him your trophy. Show him your trophy.
This
Show
is
him
my
your trophy. Okay.
You see that?
Yes.
Top pick. It's
Yes.
me.
Yeah.
It's me.
Yeah. How you feel about that, Holder?
No color match.
I see.
No color match.
No
with
color
it?
match.
No
Just
chrome.
Ain't good enough for me, but
Yeah.
hey, somebody's got to win, I guess. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
You know, so all the 3 other spots got shut down, so we got to just, you know, give it the.
Yeah, just giving it away at this point.
Yeah. So that's how we gonna do that there.
I'm a winner.
Yeah. There you go. How you feeling, son?
Shit, I'm feeling.
Who deserves that trophy right there, J3? Do you deserve it?
No,
Why not?
we gotta give a chance to everybody else.
Okay. It'd be clean.
Hey, remember they was on there joking on the TV show?
Look,
Just picture that bitch.
Ooh.
Hey, and then you know what else I want? I want them what they call it, the
What?
projector headlights that come on the 13s and 14s.
I got my truck guy.
You got them?
Yeah.
Swear. I think that shit makes it look so much newer, bro.
I swear to God. But next year for show season, Dylan might have a Chrome FTS. Maybe.
Shit. Probably.
Hey,
Probably.
who knows?
That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the plan.
That's the plan. We gonna see. Well, that bitch, that dumb as a motherfucker.
Show me the trophy.
Hey. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There it is. That's the winner right here. Woo. That's the winner. That's the winner. Hey, bro, this truck is flawless.
Hey, this thing, I'm telling you.
So is this the one that had no doors on it?
Yeah, this is it. You got cold and put the doors back on it.
That shit's so funny, bro.
He's probably had a
Hold on, what you just told me?
Man, that thing
Jacob?
is smacked up, ain't it?
Man, that put a back glass smack.
The smack.
Smack. Limo. Man, I'm loving that no tailgate.
Don't need it.
I'm loving that.
Look, what you think about the taillights? Look, hold up.
Bro, what the fuck?
This is the best truck I've ever owned in my life. I mean,
Where the fuck your diesel went?
look. We got it shot up the other night. No, we use it for target practice.
What the fuck?
We just use it.
Man, what the
That's too close to the
Bruh, I kid y'all not. It was during the summertime. I was leaving Natchez, and I saw them at some lit spot on side of the road. I didn't know that was Jacob and them. So I text him, I say, man, that was y'all on the side of the road, a truck with no doors. That was us. I said, yeah. Hey, best in show. Best in show right here. Best in show.
It smells like a mud hole in there, but look.
Where you got all that mud from?
Man, that mud.
Oh yeah.
This a mud
hey,
truck.
Bro, that back glass smack, bro.
Oh,
man, that back glass smack. How you see out the back? You don't?
I mean, you see my bed? I can't see nothing out the back and everything. Hold up. I got them 2-inch spaces on the
Dang!
Look, I got 3-inch on the front.
What the fuck?
Look at that. I got 3s on the front.
My Jacob stupid. No valence. I like that valence delete. That valence delete is clean.
Oh, dude, I did that in the mud hole the other day.
All right,
So which parts you
that's
really
enough for now.
The bump, you had left the bumper? Yeah. Well, I've been for all the bumpers.
Hey, what's up, bro? Hold on, wait.
Yeah, cut that gay shit out, bro.
Bitch.
What's up, baby? How you got the
How you doing? How you doing, bro?
I'm doing good.
How you doing?
We up on Gizzle skating.
I want that mic in your mouth.
So we are at the truck show at ASMR.
We out here in the rain, ain't it?
That bitch big.
We out here in the rain, ain't it?
Outside.
Thugging like that. Thugging like that. Hey, what's up, G? Hey, how you feel about that GMC right there?
Small. Small.
Compared to your old boy, yes.
Small.
Yes.
Man, we out here at Travis Blight in his section. We came way from New Road.
Well, technically that ain't my section. This Nick's section.
Yeah, look.
You know what I'm saying?
We out here in Nick's section.
I ain't in my section, but I'm around this section. So they blocked us in, huh, Nick?
Nah, they ain't finna tell y'all. He said we got to get the fuck away from here, though.
That's cool. That's what he said?
He say, y'all better not have no fucking lights on going through town. He catch y'all in town with the lights on. Everybody get shit. Y'all shit getting told.
All right, well.
He say he ain't bullshit.
They shut us down for the 4th time, I guess. The Gizzle Rollin best pick goes to none other than my fucking dog. Dylan, man. Y'all see him, bro. Y'all see him. Big 16 wide. Y'all see him. Yes, look, come snap us up. Before we go, come snap us up. Come on. Nick, come snap us up. Hey, come on. Snap it up, Nick.
The boy said, snap it up, Nick.
Take the fucking picture. Fuck.
Hey, this is my YouTube now. This shit is called 30 Rolling.
Take the fucking picture. Fuck.
He got it. I was coming.
30, you a hoe?
This my YouTube channel.
30, you a hoe? Boy, you
Hey, look at my trucks, man.
Get my shit here.
Man, slap
Look. You see this nigga right here? See this nigga right here?
Hey, look at them diamonds, though. Look at them diamonds.
Look, you know what he looking like? Dick! Tall black ass boy.
Hey, Mike.
I'ma just totally be honest. I'ma go and be honest, bro. Man, the meat was dumb. Man, they was lit. Hey, son. Hey, look. Be real though. Be honest though, son.
It was lit.
Every spot was dumb and I'm talking about lit, bro.
I ain't expect that.
Bro.
Them boys showed out.
Them boys showed the fuck. But I'm gonna be honest, bro.
You gotta get support.
I'm gonna be real, bro. We got to chill on the burnouts, all the revving, and all that extra shit, bro. I know y'all wanna do that. I know y'all do. But we can't do that because that's the reason why the cops coming to shut the shit down. Son, pull up, park your shit, and chill, bro. Show your shit off. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got the rev and burnout and all that shit, bro. Do that on your own time, on private property. Don't do it when we gotta meet. Cause we got these dudes that drove 3.5, 4 hours.
Boys slab down.
Man, them boys was slide, man. Hey, them boys slid 4 hours to come to this shit, man. So, bro, next time we do this, y'all just chill, bro, chill. Natchez PD really don't trip. It's just when y'all get the fucking doing too much, that's when they trip. But yeah, though, man, hey.
Shout out to that boy with them 16 wide.
Shout out to Dylan, bro. Man, my dog took home the award. He took home the Gizzle Rollin Top Pick Award.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Mike fell in love with the truck as soon as he fucking seen it.
Them KGs.
You know what I'm saying?
Amazing.
Yeah, and he laid that bitch back finally. Dylan, I'm happy for you, boy. No, I did not give him the award because he got a 12 Gen Ford. No, he clean. Look, he clean. He clean.
That was an overall.
He clean. That was an overall pick. That just wasn't me. It was everybody I had on the judging board with me. Nick, you know what I'm saying? Mike, and etc. You know, but man, y'all know what the deal is. Now we got that Dodgers on deck, man. Look, if we in Natchez,
Guarantee.
We gonna stop at Dodgers.
We going to Dodgers.
We going to Dodgers, bro. You know what I'm saying? This video need to be sponsored by Dodgers. You know what I'm
Dodgers
saying?
be on that.
And Twisted Tea as well.
Twisted Tea.
So Mike, hold this, Mike. Let's show him what I got.
What you got? What you
know
got?
what I'm
What you
saying?
got?
We got 2 boxes in here.
Ooh, that pack.
So let's just see. You know what I'm saying? So
Put the light on it.
Like the first box, you know what I'm saying? The first box, you hear me?
Fresh.
Got them spicy wings.
Fresh.
With a potato log.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? The second box, you know what I'm saying? The second box, we got them roasted wings. Hold up.
Oh, yes, sir.
We got them roasted
Yes, sir.
wings with a
We can
potato
get it.
log as well.
Yes, sir.
That's how we gonna do that. You know what I'm saying, bro? We fuck with Dodgers. Dodgers, send that sponsorship through. This is promotion for y'all, so send that shit through. Other than that, we got Mr. Guys. We got Nick, Gizzle Rollin. The rest of the guys, I'm guessing they had Christmas in the fucking country, I guess. You know.
Yeah, they said that what they headed.
But hey, exclusive holiday takeover. This was tonight, December 16th. Until next time, until next show season in 2024. This might be the last event y'all see in 2023, but 2024 is gonna be a big year for us. I don't know if it's still a cap crew or not, but we
Forever
gonna,
a camp crew.
you know, cause the other motherfuckers, they don't really do shit. But hey, we gonna still slide.
Good.
We gonna still slide. You know what I'm saying? And no, there is no beef. Nick, what a nigga told you the other day about what y'all beefing or something?
Oh yeah, talking about some we be beefing cause we don't be posting no more vlogs with us together.
Bruh, no. Cap crew is not fucking
Tell her
beefing.
we get that bag.
Everybody working on different schedules. Even me personally, I've been on seven days for I don't know how long now. But no, Cap crew is not beefed out. We all still cool. It's just everybody on different work schedules, so we can't get together how we used to. But we're gonna try to put something together for y'all how we used to do it.
Yes, sir.
But it's up. I'm done talking. It's raining. I'm ready to eat. Out of here.